beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today we have another great collaboration with Vanity Planet that I'm happy to do. You guys know I love Vanity Planet and their skincare tools. Love it, love it, love it. So today we are going to be doing a full demo breakdown. I'm going to tell you my thoughts, my opinions on the Ultimate Skin Spa. So it is a spin brush that comes with 3 different heads. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump into this. I do have a coupon code as well that will be on the screen for you guys, as well as down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and let's get all into the Ultimate Skin Spa. Enjoy. Okay, so first let's start with the unboxing of the Ultimate Skin Spa Facial Cleansing System. It comes in a nice little box like so, and when you open it up, I really do like the case. The case, I like that you can store, like, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. You will see here, but this is the Ultimate Skin Spa Facial Cleansing System, and then it comes of course with a little booklet that tells you all you need to know about this system, how to use it, etc, etc. Let's go ahead and let's jump into what all is in the Ultimate Skin Spa. So it comes in a nice little case where you can keep everything stored, and it's also great for travel. So it comes with the device itself, and it comes with 3 brushes. The brush that you see that is on the device is the Daily Cleansing Brush. So this one is ultra soft bristles for a complete gentle cleanse. You can use this one daily with a mild cleanser. And of course it is removable, so you can apply the other brushes. Then you have the exfoliating brush, and this one has firmer bristles for a deeper cleanse. You can use this one 2 to 3 times out the week. And lastly, you have the silicone brush, and this one is soft and hyperallergenic. Then it comes with a booklet, of course, and the booklet tells you everything from the features to the warranty to what comes in it to the brush and how to use it. It's just, of course, one thing I like about Vanity Planet is that they have all of the info you need to know, like right here in this little booklet. Also, you guys, I do have a coupon code for you, and I will leave it right here on the screen and down below. But that's going to give you 30% off, so definitely go and check out Vanity Planet and use the code. All right, so let's jump into the features of this bad boy. Okay, so when you open it, it is battery operated, so you want to make sure you have some AA batteries, and you're just going to go ahead and open the little compartment and place the batteries inside. Now I was kind of like with this feature, this part of the feature, because a lot of things now are more chargeable, and so you know, having to put batteries in something is a little weird, you know, when we're so used to just charging up devices now. But it is an option, you know, of course, and it worked pretty well. You put the batteries in, close it, and it works perfectly fine. Now this device does retail for about, I think, $130 on the site, but currently I have sent it down to like $60, and then of course you can save a little bit of a discount on top. So it is a great time to go and get your hands on this device, and it's great to have in your arsenal when it comes to your skincare. Who doesn't love a nice little spin brush? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to turn this bad boy on. And now the thing about this is that it has 2 different speeds to it. So you'll press the button once, it will stop the device, press the button twice, and then it'll go to the second speed, and then you'll press it again and then it will turn off. So you have to press the button in and out, in and out, in and out to kind of get it to go on, off, you know, like that. But all in all, I mean, it works, it spins. So now we're gonna jump into testing out this device and see how it works for me. Okay, you guys, so this is what my skin looks like. We have a little bit of a breakout going on, you know, acne, the life of acne. And the first brush we're going to use is this Silicone Brush. Okay, so this is great for if you have acne. It's a little bit more gentle, and it's great for sensitive skin. It's hyperallergenic. So since I'm having a little bit of a breakout, I thought it would be great for me to use this brush today. And it threw me off a little bit. You can kind of probably see by my face. I was like, oh, what's going on here? This is different. I've never used a silicone brush, so this is definitely a first for me. Also, this brush didn't give me a lot of lather or any lather really, and that's something that kind of really made me go, but I mean, the sensation of the brush was pretty nice, so yeah. All right, hey girl, hey. All right, you guys, so I'm going to be using the Daily Cleanser brush this round. So I'm going to go ahead and take a couple of drops of my DIY face wash, and we are going to go ahead and, start to cleanse that skin. Now, this brush right here, I enjoyed so much. It gave me a great lather. It was nice and gentle, and I really felt like my skin was super cleansed afterwards. So thumbs up on the Daily Cleanser brush. And you guys, I think I used a lot of soap, probably too much soap, but it's okay. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to jump into the last brush, which is the exfoliator brush. And you guys, you will see how much I struggled with this brush. This brush threw soap all in my eye. It was a mess. But anyways, I got a lather with this. This brush, of course, it is a little bit more abrasive than the other brushes. So, I mean, it was good, but it wasn't like my favorite. But yeah. And I'll talk about more of it towards the end of the video, but yeah. Okay, so we're back, and I'm going to be telling you guys my whole feelings on the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa. Okay, so we're gonna go over each brush individually and just how I felt when it came to the system. The first brush we're going to talk about is, we'll just talk about the one that's already on here, and that is the exfoliator brush. It looks like this. Now, as you guys seen in the last clip with me using the exfoliator brush, I used a very liquidy like homemade soap that I made for my face, and I do suggest when it comes to the system using a cream or maybe even a foam cleansing or even a foam cleanser would be better, because it just seemed like it was too watery, and when it started to spin, it like splashed everywhere. And that was pretty much with all of the heads that I used. So if you have a more liquidy consistency of a face wash, I don't think that will really work. You want something that's a little bit thicker so that it's not flying everywhere when it spins. Okay, so that's just a little point. The exfoliator brush was good. As you guys can see in the last clip, I just had it splash all in my eye, all of that. You can definitely feel it exfoliating, so I would not say staying over one spot too long with the exfoliator brush. You just want to pass. That's it. Okay. Another thing, the actual system, I am not a real big fan of the actual motor of this, because the spin on it is not that good. Like, the spin on it is not that good. I'm just like, and then this is the second one, and then this is the second level spin. Okay, my only thing about this too is that when you are using this, the motor on this, once you're on the first slow-mo and you put too much tension, as you guys can see, like on your skin, it slows it down. And this is just me pressing it like on there. It's not even a hard press. And it just kind of slows it down. So you have to like barely like touch your skin so that it doesn't like stop. So that's one thing about the system that I don't really like about it. Is the next brush head that we're gonna go over, and this is my favorite one out of all three, is the Daily Gentle brush, or the Daily Cleansing Brush. Now this one gave me a nice lather up when it came to the products, and it felt amazing on the skin. It wasn't too harsh, it wasn't like not like doing anything. It was a perfect like in between for cleansing my skin, and I could feel it. I could feel it like working and cleansing and lightly buffing the skin. So I really did like that head. And then the last head was the silicone head. I'm not a fan of the silicone head at all. I feel like it didn't give me much of a lather. It was very gentle, but it's just, it didn't really surprise me. It didn't really wow me. It really didn't give me much of anything like that. You guys know how I am. If it doesn't really make me go, I don't really feel it. So out of all three, I definitely really did like the Daily Cleanser brush. The exfoliator brush I would not use as often. I probably use that once out the week or something like that. And then the silicone brush, I mean, I guess I can use it, but it wasn't something that really wowed me, okay? What I do like about this system, of course, is that it is a spin brush, okay? So you don't have to worry about trying to use a washcloth. You don't have to worry about doing any of that. You just grab your system. You can, you know, put the soap on there, and you just go and you just cleanse your skin. Also, this is like an exfoliator as well. So this is a 2-in-1. So this is giving you a great exfoliation, a great deep clean, and it's really getting rid of anything on the skin, any bacteria, dirt, oils, versus using maybe just your hands like I do. So it is an extra tool in your skincare that is going to help you thoroughly cleanse your skin. So I do have a coupon code for you that's going to give you 30% off. I will leave the coupon code here on the screen for you, as well as down below. Go ahead and click that link, and definitely try out the Ultimate Skin Spa. It is another great thing to have in your arsenal when it comes to your skincare, okay? And you guys know I'm all about having tools that you can use to amplify your skincare, and this is another tool for you to amplify your skincare, all right? And with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl, EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.